How to transfer data from Repertains to Repertains Plus. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer saved data from the binding of Isaac Repertains to Repertains Plus. This ensures you keep all your progress, unlocks, and achievements when switching versions. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate your Repertains save files. First, we need to find your Repertains save files. On Windows, navigate to this file. Here you will see files like persistent game data, log, and options. Step 2. Backup your save files. Before making any changes, it's crucial to back up your save files. Copy all files from the Repertains folder and paste them into a backup folder such as on your desktop. Step 3. Locate the Repertains Plus save folder. Next, locate the Repertains Plus save folder. If this folder doesn't exist, launch Repertains Plus once to generate. Step 4. Transfer and rename save files. Now, copy your persistent game data or the relevant save slot file from the Repertains folder and paste into a Repertains Plus folder. Then, rename the file to match Repertains Plus format. For example, rename persistent game data to rep plus persistent game data. Step 5. Disable Steam Cloud Sync. To prevent conflicts, disable Steam Cloud Sync for both versions. Right-click on the game in your Steam library, select Properties, under the General tab, uncheck Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Step 6. Launch Repertains Plus and verify. Launch Repertains Plus and check if your saved data has been successfully transferred. Your progress should now be available. And that's it. That's how you transfer your saved data from Repertains to Repertains Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.